200-ton shipbuilding gantry crane, cable reel installation and commissioning. This shipbuilding gantry crane uses a centralized power supply system. The cable is wound and unwound through this cylindrical tube, which serves as protection, ensuring smooth electrical connectivity. The design also reduces friction during cable return. After commissioning, both winding and unwinding of the cable operate very smoothly. It is important to properly adjust the damping, tension, and retraction force. Otherwise, the cable can be easily pulled or damaged during operation.